Alright, there we go.
Greetings and welcome. I want to play a game.
Check it out, y'all. It's getting real raw, rugged shit, thugged shit. I don't give a fuck, they love this shit. Explicit linguistics, I'm sorry if you missed it, but yo, I'm a distant, so listen, it's my time to shine. Yeah, I'm on the grind all the time, committing crime with the grimy individual. You can check my credentials, it's your hood status. Yeah, MC Moonchild, I'm caught up with the madness and the chaos with the bad men. Yeah, we the villains. We robbing and we stealing and we shooting them up, I'm stabbing them up, I'm not giving a fuck. Yeah, they say I'm sick, psycho like I'm Michael Myers. When I pull out the machete, they not ready, never. I pull out the chainsaw like Jason on your ass. Yeah, cutting and gutting up that ass so fast. I don't give a fuck, that's your ass. It's never gonna happen to my ass, cause I'm a survivalist. I study strategy, so trust you don't wanna battle me. You cannot handle me, I'll change your whole reality. Cause I study psychology, psychological warfare. It's not fair, I got that Jedi mind trick, so you can suck on my dick when you try to come against this. I'm trying to prevent this, but you wouldn't listen. Now you listening now, while you're 12 feet stuck underground. I'm from the underground, say I'm from the hip hop. Yeah, I get much shout out to Tupac and Bone Thugs and Notorious B.I.G. Yeah, those niggas were real. You new niggas, you don't know how to steal the flow, how to steal the hoes, how to get the shit really explicit. Man, I'm gifted. This shit is freestyle, that means it's not spitting. This is the top of my head. And you niggas want me dead, cause you dread to see what happens tomorrow. What will follow as I swallow the pill. Yeah, you see how I feel, it gets real ill. Got that blood on spilling till it's just us, it's just us. And still there's no just us, it's just us. And still we know we might bust. Beyond the lust, it's like fanatics. Electric static, building in the attic. I'm not an addict, I just feel the need, yeah, I'm a new breed, unclassifiable, so I'm far from the typical. I gotta be unique in design, not shining like fucking the age wine. It gets better over time, so come on girl, make up your mind. Am I what you want or not? I don't give a fuck, I just want it, I taunt it. I'm coming back like I'm haunted. But you don't understand, I'm just a simple man with a simple plan. Girl, I wanna hold your hand, a night walks across the sand. But you don't really want that, you just want the girth that I have since my birth. It's my curse, my dick is big and thick, and when I stick it in this twig, I make a scream. Do you want a tag team? It's 2-2, it's the voodoo. Yeah, I got you stuck too with the hocus pocus, cause I ain't in focus. I may be broke, but I'm stoked. Yeah, I'm so high on life. Man, fuck the strife, I'm living life right. Cause I'm so fucking happy, cause it finally happened. Yeah, I could call myself the captain, cause I took control of my life. I'm no longer stressed, I feel so blessed, yes. Don't second guess, I'm the best, fuck every other man. I'm the one and only man that can do this shit right. So follow me, I'll lead you to the victory. Can't nobody fuck with me, trust me, it's ugly when I'm busting and cussing and cursing like shit, fuck, trick, bitch, but I'm blessing. So learn your lesson, I'm never second guessing. I'm the best, yes, here in the flesh, I'm an angel. These demons I will strangle. So don't fuck with me, cause we will play hangman. Goddamn, you don't understand the concept. I wrecked our fucking trip. So don't you fucking trip, I got this shit, I got you, dog.